Will the housing market rebound in 2025? Key predictions for buyers, sellers, and investors. First, hi. I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Realty in Georgia, license number 442664. In today's video, we'll explore what's ahead for the housing market in 2025, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, The Real Estate Compass, for more updates and insights. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing in income-producing properties or rental properties in Georgia. Let's dive into the video. The choppy 2024 housing market. What happened? The real estate market in 2024 was, to put it bluntly, one of the slowest and most challenging years for home sales in decades. High mortgage rates ranging between 6% and 7%, coupled with home prices hovering near record highs, made many would-be buyers and sellers step back from the market. Many homeowners who locked in low mortgage rates, some as low as 3%, decided to stay put rather than take on a much higher rate with a new purchase. This phenomenon, often referred to as the lock-in effect, kept housing inventory at historic lows. But despite these challenges, there's good news. 2025 is shaping up to be a better year for the housing market. While the road ahead will still be a bit bumpy, several factors suggest improvement is on the horizon. Why the market will pick up in 2025? Real estate is driven by life events, marriages, divorces, growing families, career changes, and retirement. These life events don't stop because of market conditions. For many, waiting to buy or sell has only delayed the inevitable. Here are some key reasons why the market will improve. Easing mortgage rates. While interest rates likely won't return to pre-pandemic lows of 3%, experts predict they'll stabilize or even decline slightly in 2025. According to Realtor.com, rates could average 6.3%, while Zillow economists forecast rates falling below the current 6.7% level. A more stable rate environment should help both buyers and sellers feel more confident. More inventory. As homeowners adjust to the new normal of higher mortgage rates, we can expect more inventory to hit the market. Sellers who've been holding out may finally decide to list their homes, especially as life changes necessitate moves. Price adjustments. In competitive markets, sellers may have to price homes more realistically to attract buyers. This creates opportunities for buyers who've been priced out in recent years. As Realtor Scott Pratt in Beaufort, Georgia, put it, it's going to be another year of transition, but by the end of the year, even those who thought they were locked in forever will move. Affordability challenges remain. Despite these improvements, affordability will remain a significant hurdle. Since the pandemic began, median home prices have risen by more than 30%, outpacing income growth. Combined with higher mortgage rates, this has left many prospective buyers struggling to afford a home. Why is housing so expensive? Higher property taxes and insurance costs are squeezing homeowners' budgets. Limited new construction means fewer affordable homes are being built. That said, the market is likely to remain uneven. Expensive coastal cities like Los Angeles and New York may see stronger price growth due to high demand and limited inventory. Meanwhile, markets in parts of Florida, the Midwest, and the Southeast may experience slower price gains or even slight declines as affordability challenges weigh on buyers. Regional market predictions for 2025. High-cost cities. Markets like Boston, Washington, D.C., and San Francisco are expected to see moderate price appreciation due to strong demand and low inventory. These areas continue to attract higher-income buyers, which helps sustain higher prices. Southeast and Midwest. In contrast, cities like Tampa and San Antonio, which saw huge price spikes during the pandemic, may see smaller gains or even slight price drops. Florida's condo market, in particular, is facing challenges with rising repair costs stemming from new safety regulations. Affordable markets with growth potential. Some Midwest cities and Sun Belt states, like Texas, Arizona, and Georgia, continue to attract buyers thanks to their relatively lower cost of living and growing economies. As a Georgia-based real estate agent, I can tell you firsthand that this region remains one of the hottest areas for both residential and investment opportunities. Uncertainty ahead. the impact of economic and political changes. 2025 also brings new challenges as a result of political and economic uncertainty. A new presidential administration, along with ongoing Federal Reserve rate cuts, could add unpredictability to the housing market. Some experts worry that inflationary pressures could keep mortgage rates elevated. At the same time, deregulation efforts may make it easier for builders to increase supply, which could help ease prices over time. For now, the focus remains on stabilizing the market. According to Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, it's going to be a slow recovery, but we're optimistic that by the end of 2025, the market will start to feel more balanced. Advice for buyers, sellers, and investors in 2025. For buyers, if you're planning to buy in 2025, keep a close eye on mortgage rates. Even a slight drop could significantly increase your buying power. Be prepared to act quickly in competitive markets. Work with an experienced real estate agent to navigate the process. For sellers, pricing is everything in this market. Work with a professional to determine the most competitive price for your home. Consider upgrading key features like kitchens and bathrooms to increase your home's appeal. For investors, markets with strong population and job growth, like Georgia and other Sun Belt states, continue to offer the best long-term returns. Look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods where demand is likely to increase. Closing. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Real Estate Compass for more insights. Got questions about buying, selling, or investing? Feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help.